National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a flood warning for Franklin County until 4:30 p.m. At 12:28 p.m., radar indicated that thunderstorms which had produced heavy rain across the warned area have moved east. Although water is receding in some spots, there are still reports of streams and creeks out of their bends as well as some road closures due to high water. Additional showers and thunderstorms are expected later this afternoon, which could bring another threat for flash flooding. Some locations that could experience flooding include downtown Columbus, Gahanna, Grove City, Hilliard, Westerville, Easton Ohio State University, Upper Arlington, and Worthington. Do not enter or cross flowing water or water of unknown depth. To report flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Flash flood